Today we are here at Cresswind Peachtree City and I am joined by Pam from Kolter Homes. And Pam, I understand that you guys have released the final home sites here at Cresswind Peachtree City.
Yes, we have, and you don't want to miss this opportunity of selecting your home site and choosing your floor plan, and you want to become part of the active adult resort style living here in Peachtree City. If you're looking for an award-winning 55+ community, a low maintenance lifestyle, and homes specifically designed for active adults, then this is a great time to tour Cresswind Peachtree City. The community has received numerous awards, including Best 55+ Community by the Greater Atlanta Home Builders Association. We're beginning the final phases of home site releases, so don't miss your chance to build a new home from the ground up. Our new home guides have a simple plan to make it easy to find your ideal new home. Choose from a wide variety of floor plans, specifically designed for active adults, and then personalize your home to fit your lifestyle with a variety of design and structural options. Many floor plans have flexible living spaces and daylight basements that you could turn into a home office or a guest suite, or transform the space into a craft room with lots of room for your creativity to flow. You can even add a garage for your golf cart. Virtually anything is possible with expert guidance from the professional designers at our on-site design gallery. And that's just the beginning.
Well, the Design Center truly is only the beginning here at Cresswind. You guys also have an incredible lifestyle program.
Yes, we do. It's an award-winning lifestyle program that's designed to set yourself free, F-R-E-E, through fitness, relationships, education, and entertainment, so you can live better, longer. At our resort-inspired clubhouse, there's always something to do and people to meet. Enjoy the indoor and outdoor pools, billiard room, social lounge, demonstration kitchen, fitness center, pickleball, and tennis courts. And the best part, all community events, get-togethers, concerts, plays, and more are planned by a full-time lifestyle director. Another great part of the community is that it's connected to 100 miles of golf cart paths that wind through Peachtree City. So you're only a quick golf cart ride away from dining, shopping, and entertainment.
Well, Pam, like we mentioned, this is the final opportunity to be part of Cresswind Peachtree City. So for people out there that are interested, what is the best next step?
Well, they can come by our models or welcome center that's open daily. New homes are priced from the 300s. Call us at 770-212-2099, or you can tour our models virtually at cresswindpeachtreecity.com.
Well, Pam, thanks so much for being here with me today. And this is the perfect opportunity because it's the final opportunity to be part of Cresswind Peachtree City. So come and check it out and start living that Cresswind lifestyle today.